The Academy programmes are 6 specialist courses that are over 3 of our sites, so at the Leeds, Bloxham and Wellington. These courses range from sporting activities to performing arts. We have 4 academies this year at Wellington. We have football, run by Reading FC, so in partnership with their community trust. We have our horse riding, so our horse riding academy that is based on one of our partner stables. We have esports, which is our new and exciting academy looking at computer games and using those. And then we also have performing arts, which is back at Wellington and using their great performing arts facilities. At Bloxham we've got our art and design academy where the students are going to be looking at different types of art, so creating sculptures, paintings and other exciting things like that. At the Leeds we have our tennis academy where they're going to be able to play on different surfaces such as grass, hard courts and astroturf as well. So the difference between academies and electives are academies go into our subjects a lot deeper. So the students will have 18 hours of tuition with our expert members of staff. So our staff will be fully qualified in that activity or sport, and they will deliver a high quality programme. We've worked with them as well to create a bespoke course that is using English language within the activities as well. So we're not just allowing the students to play the sport or to create the art that they may be doing. They'll also be learning the English language throughout the course as well. Compared to electives, which allow the students to have a wide range of different activities, academies will allow the students to focus on one particular area of interest, for example football or esports or horse riding. This can also be booked in advance, so students will know when they arrive at Wellington or at Bloxham they'll be doing that particular activity. Students are more than welcome to bring their own equipment such as tennis rackets and football boots, but you can find a full list of equipment that they can bring on our website.